Hey guys, so today I'll be talking about the problem sort array by Parity 2. So what the problem states is that let's say we have a array like 4 to 4 to 5 7. Essentially what we have to do is like make this array such that the even numbers are positioned on the even indices and the odd numbers are positioned on the odd indices. So essentially we have to make this like this. One idea is like we take each index, then so let's say we have this and we make two, let's say, pointers, even pointer and an odd pointer, and whenever we find that it's an even integer we just place it in the, let's say we take a resultant array, we place the even number in the even index, for in this case 4, and then increment it by 2. Similarly for the odd indices. So that's the, so for 2 it will be placed here since it's an even number, then 5 will come here, 7 will come here. So that's how the problem is to be approached. So coming back to the code, so we have to take a resultant array which will be it will be a new array of size a, and we have to fill this with 0, and we have to take two pointers, one even pointer which will be positioned at 0 first, and an odd pointer position at odd, and then we have to iterate over the array. So let I equal to 0, I less than a dot length, I plus plus, and if it's an even number, so if ai modulo 2 is 0, or if it's in fact an even number, then we place the resultant even number we'll place this the even index, and we have to make this incremented by 2. Similarly for odd numbers it will be not equal to 0 and it will be odd, and we have to increment the odd index by 2. So that's it, and we have to return the result at the end. So let's run the code. Okay, accept it, then we submit. Okay, successful. So one interesting thought that I felt about sharing is like, so the approach that we took here, it's more like so we have let's say 4 2 5 7, so we are using a time complexity of O of n space of O of n. So what if like we want to do it in O of 1 space? It's possible. So in that approach I would like you guys to think about it. So basically we maintain odd index the same as that, and an even index. So we start the odd index from 0, from 1. I will just rub it out and we'll start it from 1, even from 0, and whenever at any, and we will basically iterate each of this by +2. So whenever we iterate the even index and we find that it's an odd number, so what we'll do is like we will search for the next odd index where there is an even number. So let's say if at some here at this even index it's odd, so at array 2 we have 5, so and at the array 1 we have even numbers. So what we'll do, we will interchange this and this, and we'll maintain this invariant. So whenever we get some odd index, all the odd indices to the left of that odd index by decrementing -2 every time will have an odd number, and all the even indices less than the even index will have an even number. So that's one approach by which we can solve it in OAuth1. I would like you guys to think about it. And yeah, I think that's it for this video, and if you guys enjoyed it, please do give a like and share and subscribe to this channel, and thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.